Hi everyone. In this practice, we will upgrade Oracle GoldenGate Home in the Oracle practice environment from release 12c to the release 19c. The reference for upgrading GG is the documentation Oracle Fusion Middleware Upgrading Oracle GoldenGate. That documentation should be your reference for upgrading GG. GG is an abbreviation for GoldenGate, of course. Do not consider this practice as a reference for the upgrade. However, this practice will definitely demonstrate how to implement the steps mentioned in the documentation. As a prerequisite for this practice, we need to download GoldenGate Release 19c for Oracle on Linux x86-64. Obtaining the binary file for this software product is easy. You just need to log into the site edelivery.oracle.com. If you don't have an account, you can create one. Then follow the simple steps as demonstrated in the practice document. The steps are clear and easy. You shouldn't find any problem in implementing them. You will end up with downloading a file named as v983-658-01.zip. To prepare for this practice, we will modify specific settings on the practice VirtualBox appliances. These changes are not required for the upgrade, but they make the upgrade procedure easier for us. Specifically, we will perform the following: enable shared clipboard setting, create and configure a staging directory, automate database startup and shutdown, and take snapshots for the virtual appliances. First, we will enable the shared clipboard setting for the practice environment appliances, GG SRV1 and GG SRV2. Make sure the appliances are turned off. If not, shut them down. Then, in the VirtualBox window, go to the Settings of GG SRV1. Go to General, Advanced tab, and set the shared clipboard to bidirectional. Do the same for GG SRV2. After that, we will create and configure a staging directory. We will create a directory in the hosting PC. We will call this directory as the staging directory. We will grant access to this directory for the virtual appliances. It will be used to exchange files between the appliances and the hosting PC. So again, you just go to the Settings page, and from there go to the Shared folder. Click on the plus button. Enter the folder name that you created in the PC and give it a name. I will name it as ext-disk, which stands for external disk. Then mark the checkbox Auto Mount and click on OK button. Do exactly the same for GG SRV2. After that, we need to add the user Oracle to the group vBooksSF. So we need to start up the appliances. Log in to GGSRV1 as root. And add the user Oracle to the group vBooksSF. Do exactly the same for the other machine. In the next practice subsection, we will configure the appliances so that their databases are automatically started when we start up the appliances and automatically shut down when the appliances are shut down. Actually, we should have done so earlier in the course after creating the databases. We need to log in as root, then edit the file or a tab. Change the last field for the database line to Y. After that, create the file dbora and add the code as demonstrated in the step number 9 in it. After that, change the group of the dbora file to dba. Set its permission to 750. Create the symbolic links as demonstrated in step number 11, and that's it. The database auto restart configuration is done. Restart GGSRV1 and wait for a few minutes to allow the databases to automatically start up. After the machine restarts, let's verify the database is up and running. The connection to the database is successful, which means the database is up and running. Repeat the same steps on the other machine, GGSRV2. After rebooting the machine, the connection to the second database is successful. The last action for preparing for this practice is to take snapshots for the appliances. The practice document suggests to shut down the appliances before taking snapshots for them. But actually, you can take a snapshot for each appliance online without shutting down the appliances. So, in the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager, you click on the Snapshots button, click on Create Snapshot button, give the snapshot a name, and click on OK button. Do exactly the same for the other machine.